Hi, I'm John with WTI. If you're watching this, you may have sweaty feet like I do. So I bought these copper infused socks from Kodal, and I really like them. This is actually the second time that I've bought them. I bought them about 3 years ago. They hold up very, very well, and so I bought them again. I wanted more. Now the biggest thing for me is that they are copper infused, and there's actually quite a lot of copper infusion in them, which really helps me because I do tend to have sweaty feet, especially when I'm exercising, going on a long walk with the dog. Then my feet do get sweaty, and of course when you start to sweat, they start to stink. So these have really helped. I can't believe the difference between when I wear these copper infused socks on a long, say 2-hour walk with my dog, and when I wear just normal cotton socks. So I highly recommend these. They're very comfortable, they're very soft. Even though they are copper infused, they're still very soft. They don't hurt your feet. They're not scratchy or itchy at all. I am a size 9.5 foot, and they fit me really well. So I think they're very true to size. I picked the 6.5 to 10, and they fit me very well. So if you have slightly sweaty feet like I do, this will really help to not only wick away a lot of that moisture so that your foot can really breathe, but it really helps that your feet do not smell, because that's kind of embarrassing. So again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.